Assalamualaikum friend, it's me your host Mamil Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I'm here with a new amazing mining site which name is Tron.nz. So this is very amazing site where you can invest a very few amount of your Tron and you will get a huge profit on daily basis. So today I'm going to show you how we can register ourselves on their site and how we can make a successful deposit and how we can withdraw our Tron from their site. And we also discuss about their a big offer and big announcement, which is that they are offering a 200 TRX free for a new user or for a new register. So let's start our video. Before starting my video in detail, I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see my every videos first. So if you want to register yourself in their site, so I will also give the link of the site in my video description, and I will also give you their invitation code. So you need to just go to my video description, and when you click on the link you will find out this page. This is the registration page of the Tron mining site. So here you need to write your mobile number, write your login password, security password and invite code, and attach the captcha which is right. So you need to write the capital letter of the B for CA and click on the sign up. When you click on the sign up, you will directly sign in their page. So I already registered myself, so I need to write my mobile number and password that I register on the registration page. So after giving these all things, if you want to remember your password, you just need to click on this button, and you need to click on the sign in. So when you click on the sign in here, you can see that I received 200 TRX as a reward. This is free and free for everyone who want to mine in their site and who register yourself first time. So today we discuss how we can generate a huge profit. So first of all, we discuss why this is very best. So cloud mining offer a potentially cost-effective way of mining for Bitcoin, TRX, and other cryptocurrencies. At the same time, both quantitative trading and the DeFi technology will allow you to easily participate in blockchain transaction with a small amount of capital and obtain stable income like insurance. So here you can also see their partners. Their global partners are WazirX, CoinDCX, OKX, Bitmain, Binance, and Hobby. These are their partners. So if you want to get their announcement, you need to click on this and you will find out the common problem and their announcement. So now we discuss how we can deposit in their site and how we can earn money and earn TRX without depositing by referral. So first of all, if you want to deposit, you need to click on the deposit. When you click on the deposit, here you will find out the address of their receiving address of from their website. So if you want to send some deposit in their site, you need to copy this address and go to your trust wallet. So here you need to select the Tron and click on the send. When you click on the send, you will find out this page. Here you need to paste the address that you copied from their site. Paste the address that you copied from their site and write the amount of your TRX that you want to invest in their site and click on the continue. When you click on the continue, you will find out the confirmation page and confirmation message. Here you can also see your total fees and total deposit that you want to deposit in their site. So here you can see that this is their confirmation text and transfer confirmation message. So simple. Here you need to confirm it. When you click on the confirm, your transaction will take some time, some seconds. So I refresh it and I will show it again. So here you can check this. My transfer is pending now. So it is now completed. So after this completed, we go to our site and refresh it. So for receiving our deposit that I deposited from our wallet, when we refresh it, so here you can see that now my total balance is 201 TRX. So it's mean that we deposit from our wallet. So I also receive in their site. So if you want to invest or if you want to use these 200 TRX that you receive as a reward for registered on their site, you can also find out 6% of daily profit, 6% daily profit from their mining site. So After discussing how we can deposit our money in their side, we discuss about the withdraw. So you need to click on the withdraw and select the amount and select the amount that you want to withdraw. Here you can also see their total daily withdrawal limit is 0.025. Here you need to write the amount of their total limit, and you need to give the address of your Tron mining site receiving address, and also give the security password that you enter on the registration page. So after giving these all information, you need to click on the confirm. So here you can see that. So when we click on the withdraw, so here you can see that my withdraw is successful now. So you can also check my balance, so that I make withdraw. So my daily withdrawal limit is now 0 and my total balance is 200.98. So here I also received my wallet message that received 0.02 TRX from Tron mining site. So here you can see that this is very easy way how we can deposit in their side and how we can withdraw from their side. Now we discuss about the referral program. You can also earn with their referral, and you can also make a huge profit by their referral without any invest or without investing any Tron in their side. So if you want to earn from the referral, you need to click on the copy link. So this is your referral link. You need to send it to your friends and family members. Then you will receive the percentage from when they visit from their link. Then you will also receive some TRX as a reward. So here you should recharge any amount number of the TRX to activate an account and open the withdraw function. So you can also check your team. You can also make your team for mining, and you can also check your profit list on daily basis, and transfer of basic share notification. So if you want to log out, so simple, you need to click on the logouts, then you will automatically go back. And so this is very easy to use, and this is very easy to generate a huge profit in a very few short time. So thank you very much to seeing my complete video. Allah Hafiz.